So next up, guys, got a nice looking tractor here. It's an International 5088 two-wheel drive. I'll go around it, give you a nice 360 degree view. But guys, you got a full cab, equipped with heat and air. They said the air does not work, but it does show right around 8,500 hours. It'll come with the duals. You got 3 auxiliary hydraulics. Kind of zoom in on some stuff here. So you got 3 auxiliary hydraulics. You got 1,000 to 540, 3-point hitch. This tractor starts right up. It does, I think it's more maybe a common thing, these 5088s, but this one does not shift into the low range. You got medium and high, but no low. So, but I'm here with Matt. He's going to fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Fires right off there. Nice healthy sounding motor. I'll just kind of go in forward and reverse here. Just kind of let you hear it. Yeah, see her run a little bit. Like I said, it does come with the duals. Nice healthy sounding motor there we talked about. I'll just rev it up a little bit more. Nice healthy sounding motor there, guys. So there's the demo on the International 5088 two-wheel drive tractor. Maybe get another quick video here on it. But yep, there you go, guys. Good luck with auction time on 20 auction.